The future is not just something ahead of us. In many ways, it is already here, encoded, rehearsed, and quietly unfolding inside every living system on Earth. Inside each cell of your body, 4 letters, A, T, C, and G, store a molecular memory stretching back 4 billion years. Not a memory you can recall, but one your biology follows with astonishing precision. Genes switch on and off, proteins fold, circuits awaken, and your body moves through a sequence of possibilities that was shaped long before you existed. But DNA is not destiny. It carries tendencies, not guarantees. Every experience you live can place small chemical marks on your genome, epigenetic signals that act like bookmarks, quietly influencing which chapters of your biology will be read tomorrow. Behavior, nutrition, emotion, stress, learning, connection. All of them leave molecular traces that adjust the trajectory of your future self. So, part of the future is written in your DNA, but another part is written in your brain. Your brain is not a machine that reacts. It is a machine that predicts. Nearly everything you perceive is shaped by expectation, a forecast generated milliseconds before reality arrives. Your senses update what your brain already believes, like tiny corrections to a movie playing inside your mind. This is why practice changes you. Repetition strengthens predictions, and predictions shape perception. Slowly, the brain rewrites itself to match the world you ask it to expect. Beyond your skull, another layer of the future unfolds, the collective mind of your society. Cultures survive by carrying forward patterns of thought, behavior, and meaning. Education systems, values, stories, technologies, they set the boundaries of what each generation imagines is possible. A society that teaches scarcity predicts a future of competition. A society that teaches possibility predicts a future of innovation. And then there is technology, the external memory of civilization. Every tool we build extends our predictions outward into the world. AI systems learn from the patterns we provide, absorbing our assumptions, our data, our blind spots, and amplifying them. Not because they are conscious, but because they are exquisitely trained on the futures we expect. So, when we ask, what will the world become? Part of the answer sits in molecules, part in neurons, part in culture, and part in the algorithms we release into the world. The future is not a single path. It is a branching field of possibilities that begins inside us long before it becomes visible outside. And the most extraordinary part is how quickly these internal futures can change. A single shift in belief, a single skill learned, a single insight shared across a community, and a new pathway appears, first in minds, then in systems, and finally in the shape of the world itself. If this gave you a sense of the future unfolding within you, consider subscribing to Smart Reels and share it with someone who's ready to imagine tomorrow differently.